Welcome to TraceLink University. I'm Caitlin Czulada. Today, we are going to talk about receiving messages as part of the batch production process between a pharmaceutical manufacturer and their external manufacturing partner. Using TraceLink's multi-enterprise information network tower to receive messages when your batch production first issues the material, then consumes the material, and then finally, when the end product is produced, receiving a message as part of the end of the batch. This can provide additional visibility and can overall better help you manage your batch production process with those external manufacturing partners. Many companies face challenges in managing these material transactions. Things like manual data entry, which increase the risk of errors in the material tracking. Inventory discrepancies between you and your external partners will cause delays and inefficiencies in your overall processes. Limited visibility into the material usage makes it difficult to monitor the consumption and production, and overall can lead to demand problems and delayed production updates. The result, inefficient and increased cost and supply chain disruptions. Let's look at how Mint can solve these challenges. By leveraging Mint to digitalize material transactions, companies can streamline their overall material tracking to reduce manual errors and improve overall accuracy of the information. This enhanced inventory visibility will allow you to gain real-time insights into materials that are issued, consumed, and overall produced as part of the batch creation process. It's going to allow you to optimize your production planning, which ensures that the materials are available when you're needed. You can increase supply chain efficiencies by streamlining those communications between yourselves and your external manufacturing partners. Let's dive into Mint and see how it streamlines the material tracking process. First, I'm going to go to the Extensible TraceLink Transfer, or XTT for short. Here, you can see all your B2B messages that are exchanged between your partners, whether they're successful or failed. Why does this matter? It matters because we want the IT teams to have the additional visibility into those transmitted transactions between yourself and your external manufacturing process. By doing this, you're going to reduce the reliance on those third parties when troubleshooting all of those file issues. Next, we're going to go into Mint and we're going to select the external manufacturing network and we're going to find our partner, Renderico. Here, first we can see all of the business transactions that are exchanged between ourselves and that external manufacturing partner. From there, we're going to go in to our materials issued. This is the first step in the batch production process, and we can see all of the materials that were issued as part of that batch production process. If we go down the row, we're going to see the materials produced. This is the last step in the process. This shows you what products were produced as part of the batch. Next, we'll go down the row and we'll see materials consumed. This is the second step in the process that will show you what products were consumed as part of that batch creation process. And last but not least, we'll be able to see the actual final step, which is the creation of that batch. All of these transactions are going to provide you additional visibility into your processing with that external manufacturer so you can gain real-time visibility into how that batch is being produced. Next, I can show you the reports and dashboards. So if you want to come in here and you want to see what information is created, you can look and you can see all of the information associated with that batch. Now that you've seen Mint in action, you can see how it can help you overall reduce your inventory costs. By giving you real-time visibility into the production of your batches, you'll be able to see what your inventory levels are in real time. This is going to help you reduce costs, but overall improve your efficiencies associated with your batch production process and help you increase your overall supply chain visibility. Let's look at a proof point. A customer previously faced frequent production delays due to inaccurate material tracking. After adopting Mint, they improved their material traceability and reduced their inventory discrepancies by up to 75%. So in closing, Mint stands apart because it delivers end-to-end material visibility by tracking issued, consumed, and produced materials as part of the batch production process. Now that you have seen Mint in action, contact us for a demo or go to tracelink.com/resources to learn more. Thank you.